Good afternoon, everyone. I hope you guys are doing well. Happy Valentine's Day to you. I am coming to you just to talk briefly about week 6, developmentally appropriate practice in the classroom. And developmentally appropriate practice is so important for early childhood educators to understand. Developmentally appropriate practice is not only looking at the chronological age of the child, but we're also looking at the developmental age of the child. So the child can be chronologically 3, but developmentally can be on a 2-year-old level, or it could be on a 3.5 or 4-year-old level. So therefore, you would have to adjust the activities for that child. Another component of developmentally appropriate practice is culture, considering the child's culture and background. Are the activities that you are doing with the children, is it promoting diversity in your classroom? If it has to exclude a child for their culture or their beliefs, then that's not a developmentally appropriate activity. So we want to think about developmentally appropriate assessment tools. We also want to think about developmentally appropriate materials. All of those things are important. So if you're working with infants and toddlers or even 2-year-olds and you see something that says do not use for children under the age of 3, then that's not developmentally appropriate. Just like playground equipment, if it says, not recommended for for children under the age of 4, then that means children that are under the age of 4 cannot be on that playground equipment. So that's what it means. And I want to challenge you guys to think about those types of things. And of course, there are going to be exceptions to the rules where you're going to have a child who is, chronologically 3 and developmentally they may be 4. Yes, you want to follow the developmental age, but you do have to take in consideration the chronological age. So those are some things you have to consider. But it's very important that you really look at every aspect of DAP. Again, chronological age, developmental age, and then you also want to look at the culture um, of the child, and if the activity or the material or the assessment is going to exclude that child from participating in that activity, then that would not be developmentally appropriate, as I said earlier. So I'm looking forward to reading your discussion responses this week. Please remember that your discussion responses need to be 150 words. I have been counting off points. So please make sure you do that. And also please make sure that you defend your responses. And when you reply to your peers, make sure that you are saying more than a great post, ask a question, just add some more detail to your post. But anyway, I hope you guys are having a great day, a great Valentine's Day. I know some of you are in the wake of the snow and ice storm. Please stay safe. If you guys need me for anything, please feel free to text me or email me. Again, I'm looking forward to reading your discussion questions, your responses rather, and I will be posting some resources to help you with your discussion questions. Have a great evening and a great week. Bye bye.